Looking for Victorinox luggage and travel gear Black Friday deals? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, Expandable for extra capacity. This brief holds everything for a big day at the office, including a foldable accessory pouch, and offers protection for both a laptop and a tablet, by Victorinox. Number 2, offering the convenience of both a backpack and a shoulder tote. The Harmony is a great companion piece for any adventure, another great product by Victorinox. Number 3, bring your full-size toiletries on your next trip. Top hanging hook suspense bag for easy access. Zippered, dual-end compartments with elasticized brush holders. For real-time updates and price drops, just click this link below. We will automatically add these items to your cart, for price alerts.